Now this is gonna become a masterpiece. Something smells good. I wonder what it is. Oh, hello, Ronald. What are you doing? Oh, hello, Morris. Well, I'm cooking. You're cooking? Well, how do you even do that? My dear Morris, haven't you ever heard of the phrase, practice makes perfect? That's not what I meant. What I mean is, how are you actually cooking? Like, you don't even have hands. Oh, well then, I guess the fourth wall does get broken quite a lot. Oh, well, good point. Anyway, what are you cooking? Some homemade soup. Oh, yum. What flavor? Carrot, tomato, chicken? Nope. Cornflake. Cornflake? But why? Well, since cornflake tastes good as a cereal, I thought it would taste even better as a soup. Well, okay then. So anyways, I'm guessing you're gonna find someone to taste test the soup for ya? Yep, and I think I found just the engine for the job. You! What, me? Oh, well, okay then. Here it goes. Wow, this actually tastes good. Wait, are you for real? Here, let me try some. Wow, it actually does. Well, that's a success in my opinion. What do you say, Ronald? Sounds good to me. Wait a minute. In reality, engines don't eat, right? Uh-oh.